Dinosaurs were a big, diverse group of reptiles that existed in the Triassic period, about 243 million years back. Today we are going to draw this fantastic dinosaur. Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a dinosaur. Yes, dinosaur. And that too with letter D. Lowercase d. First we will draw lowercase d. I am taking the measurement of 12 centimeter. We will draw a straight line marking on the scale 12 centimeter. It's not necessary to take any measurement, but if you want you can make a 12 centimeter line. Then you will make a mark at 5, and from 5 we will draw okay. So this is small case D. Then what we will do, we will take line like this and make it curved. Okay, then like this. Now we are going to draw its legs, 3 centimeter in length. Okay, like this. Now we will make its tail from the point like this, below from this, like this. Okay, then we will make the eyes. Now color the eyes, and our dinosaur is smiling, so we will make it smile. And from here we will make grooves like this. So it's almost done. Now we have to color it. I'm coloring my dinosaur orange. Oh, we left it nails. Like this. I'm using pencil color. You can use any color of your choice or whatever is available. So I have colored it orange and this portion yellow. Now with the help of sketch pen, I will color this portion. I hope you all are coloring with me. To smoothen this portion colors, you can use a piece of paper and fold it like this and rub it like this, so it will smoothen the color. So likewise we will color all these portions. Now with the help of sketch pen or darker color crayon, we will make small circles and semicircles on its back like this. Small dots and big circles we have to make circles and semicircles of different shapes, not different shapes but of different sizes. Likewise, you can see I am also drawing small dots and the big one also. On its neck also, first draw the big circles and in between we will make the smaller ones. Okay, it will give it a nice look. You can see it nicely like this. We will make small dots on its tail also. Then we will make a small green patch on the ground like this. Okay, then we will color it green. So I've colored it with the sketch pen. Now I'm giving a finishing touch with my crayons. Now my dinosaur is ready. Dinosaur. Hope you like it. It's very easy and fun to make.